Okay, so last week in our production scheduling meeting, Justin brought up the fact that they were having trouble with the native soil out here, being real silky, and it's hard to compact. And when they were laying their sewer line trench, as they were jumping jacking down the pipe, they were having trouble with the laser deflecting and not staying on. So they were having some quality control problems with bellies in the sewer, plus their production was slow due to the laser not staying on.
Correct.
And what did you do to improve that process?
So we eliminated bedding it with native material, and we went to bedding it with pea gravel.
So you got the thin lift of pea gravel under your pipe, and then you're coming up
To the
top of the pipe
top
with
of the
it.
pipe with the pea gravel, eliminating all jump and jacking. And then we're putting a foot of bedding on top of that, and wheel rolling it in with the walk behind roller.
And you feel like we've solved the quality problem, and your production is actually increased.
Yeah, probably double on the production.
That's lean.